Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail baby food. First, select fresh, ripe fruits and vegetables for the best flavor and nutrients. Always wash your produce thoroughly before peeling or cutting. Then, steam or bake your chosen ingredients until they are very soft. This ensures they will blend smoothly and be easy for your baby to digest. This initial preparation is key for delicious and healthy purees. Once your ingredients are cooked, it's time to blend. Combine the soft ingredients with a small amount of breast milk, formula, or even water. Add liquid gradually, a tablespoon at a time, until you achieve the desired consistency. For younger babies, aim for a very smooth puree. As your baby grows, you can gradually introduce chunkier textures to encourage chewing and develop their palate. Now for the fun part, creating delicious flavor combinations. Try mixing 2 or 3 complementary fruits or vegetables, like apple and sweet potato or pear and spinach. Remember to introduce new flavors one at a time, waiting 3 to 5 days between new foods to easily identify any potential allergies. Store your freshly made purees in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To save time, freeze individual portions of your baby food. Pour purees into ice cube trays and freeze until solid. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to labeled freezer bags. This allows for easy thawing of just the right amount, reducing waste. Frozen purees can last for up to 1 month, making meal prep much simpler. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.